In this video, I'll show you how to use Perplexity AI to quickly generate professional and detailed blog post outlines for any topic. I'll start on the home screen and type my first request into the search bar, asking for a comprehensive outline about the benefits of a 4-day work week in 2026. Once I hit enter, Perplexity begins thinking and immediately generates a structured plan including an introduction, 3 main body sections, and a final summary. The results highlight how shorter work weeks can lead to higher productivity, better employee well-being, and long-term economic sustainability. I can then take things a step further by using a follow-up prompt to change the perspective or deepen the research. This time, I'm asking the AI to act as a professional content strategist to create an outline for a long-form post about the impact of AI on the creative arts. I make sure to specify that I want sections for current trends and future predictions to make the content as robust as possible. As the AI processes this, it delivers a highly detailed roadmap that covers the evolution of creativity, modern transformations in visual and musical arts, and the ethics of human-AI collaboration. The outline even includes forward-looking predictions for 2030 and beyond, providing a solid foundation for a sophisticated, long-form article. By scrolling through the response, I can see exactly how each section is mapped out, making the actual writing process much faster and more organized. Using this tool is a great way to ensure my content is well-researched and covers all the necessary angles before I even start the first draft. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.